This video made for entertainment and educational purposes only, so don't repeat anything you see in this video.
Shouldn't take long. Let me refresh it, and yeah, nice guys. So it's already updated. Hi friends, that's Kyle, and in this video I want to show you something really cool what I discovered last time, and to be more precise, I would like to show you how I got a free Tether fast and earn crypto absolutely for free. And before we start guys, this is not a financial advice and I'm not encouraging you to repeat something after me, alright? So for starters, I have my personal channel and all information I have there, and I'm gonna open the app. I'm gonna open the app and wait it's up till it's updated. Yeah, and I'm gonna open the promo code section. It's a bit lagging and that's an annoying point, but anyway, it is what it is. So I'm gonna set like here, and yeah, so I'm gonna press the button. As you can see, yeah, I got it, and it's a bit lagging. Yeah, that's annoying. Anyway, I'm gonna reload there. I'm gonna reload the page. Yeah, and as you can see, it's updated already, so everything is fine. And I'm gonna continue use the application and show you by what I'm doing myself here. All right, so let me continue. All right, and guys, I want to remind you and tell you if you don't know, so everything I show in my video is strictly for educational and entertainment purpose only, and I'm not encouraging to repeat after me. All right, so I got it, and I need to remind. Okay, I think I got it. So do a quick setup and like this, and yeah, I remembered here, but I need to check it again. Here, and last one, yeah, again. All right, so let me continue, and yeah guys, it's updated, so that's super simple. All right, and the whole point of this video is to send everything back, because that's the reason. Yeah, let me set up. Okay, yeah. All right, nice. So what is next? I'm gonna open my trust, and let me move it closer. As you can see, everything clear and new, so there is no any information. Yeah, let me copy. Okay, yep, and let me come back. All right, and enter and confirm. All right, so I got a noti. Yeah, so it looks like it's updated already. Let me come back here. All right, let me move it a bit closer. As you can see, everything here not updated yet. I'm gonna do it again. It shouldn't take long. Let me refresh it, and yeah, nice guys, so it's already updated. All right, so let me close this notification. All right, like that, and as you can see, everything is nice. And guys, I want to remind you, don't repeat after me. This video is strictly for entertainment. Stay safe and see you soon.